hello friends, see you again with Gary Channel. How are you? I hope you are well. This time we will assemble the vehicle, friends. What vehicle? Do you know what vehicle this will be? Let's wrap. This is the part. This is a vehicle hut. This is a vehicle body. This is the tanky. This is the wheel. This is the bolt. And this is a screwdriver. Let's wrap. We put the hat on. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Next, we install the tanky. Install the bulb. Then we install the wheel. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. Install the bulb. And finally, we attach the front. Install the bulb. Wow, it's finished! Do you know what vehicle is this? You're right! This is a firefighting vehicle. Its name is water tender. Don't break your toys, friends. Take care and save it so you can play it again. See you again. Bye-bye.